Guys, so today's question is two sum. So what they are saying in this is like given an array of integers nums and integer target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so they have given the nums array and given the target. We need to find the index of the in the array that sum up to the target. So let's solve this.
Brute force solution would be like you get one number and then find the another number that sum would be equal to 9. Like for given example, it's 2, 7, 11, 15. Now you need to find the two numbers that's target is equal to 9. Now brute force solution here would be like you are getting the element 2, that's I element. Now you will checking for the j, that equal to j. Now you check for if their sum equal to 9, it's equal to 9, you give the answer. Now let's say that 7 is not here, 7 is at last. Now you check for the j element 11. 2 plus 11 is not 9, and again 2 plus 15 is not, and again 2 plus 7 is 9, it's 9. So if we can't find 9, then we will checking with the 11. Now we will checking by all the elements, like I is at 2 and j is at 0th position. So now we check what's the 2 plus 11 is not, and then 2 plus 15 is not. Similarly you will checking all the elements. So here time complexity would be like you are iterating the n number of array into n times. So complexity is of n square. Now you need to do it with better optimization. So for this what we can do is we can use the maps, hash maps. Okay, so what's in the hash map? Now what we will doing, let's take an example 2, again same example 2, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, now target is 9. What you will be doing, you will be iterating the array one time and putting that elements in the hash map. Now let's assume there's an hash map where you are storing the value and here it's the index. Okay, so now you iterate and put the value. 2 is at 0th index, 7 is at 1st index, 11 is at 2nd, and 15 is at 3. Now what you will do, you will iterate array again. Now you will check that you have element 2. Now you will say that 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Let's see 7 is in our table or not. We will find that if 7 is available, so 7 is here. So we will getting the element I 0 and where 7 is 1. So our answer is 0 and 1. So here time complexity, you are iterating the 2 times, one for putting the elements and other for getting the elements. So 2n, and searching for in this hash map is of 1. So our time complexity would be O of n. It's of 1 and that is O of n time complexity. And also space complexity, we are storing the elements again on this. So space complexity here would be again O of n. So that's the optimized solution where you can find the elements in O of n space. So this is the recommended solution. So let's code this.
So let's start with coding part now. So let's take an n where it would be the length of the nums Now for the answer we need to give an integer array, so let's create one for the answer. It would be of length 2. Now one thing we are using map, so map would be of integer and integer. Let's name it map only, and it came from Hashmap. Yes. Now what we need to do is we need to put all the elements of nums in the map. So let's use for loop for this. That would be less than n. Here what we are doing is adding all elements to map. So m dot put, we need to put nums of I and also the index where that element is. Now another step is we need to find the sum. So again put the int n I plus plus. Now what we can do is we will getting the element k, that will be equal to target minus nums of ith element in nums. Now if we check if map dot contains the element k, so, elements k, and m dot get is of k is not equal to ith. So this particular condition is about when we are looking for the same index. So we can put the answer 0 would be the ith element, and answer 1 will be the map dot get, that k. Now this will be the answer 0 and we will be return answer. If we didn't find any answer, we will return empty array, and as we didn't, then it will be return answer, and answer now here is an empty array. Yeah, so let's see if it works. Oh, compile time error. So map, okay, here I need to put map 1 and what it's saying. Okay, I missed the e here. Yeah. Okay, again I missed the m. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what's here is, oh sorry, so here is contains the key, and map.get, yes. Yeah, it works. So let's submit this.